Hey, if you wonder if you can actually connect Touchpad into your Realme C67, yes, you can do this. And I'm going to show you example on the PlayStation controller, because right here we can find the touchpad. So first you will have to decide for the connection method. I'm going to do this wired by using the cables. And if you have the cable with the USB-C end, you will be able to connect it straight into your port. But in my case, I have the this cable, the USB-A to the micro USB. So I have to get this adapter. You can get it from any mobile store or buy it online, for example from the Amazon. I get it from for the 2 bucks. So now plug it right here, the USB-A, and plug this connector into the USB-C. And now this end you will have to plug into this second end you will have to plug into your touchpad, in my case in this controller. And take a look on my screen. I can navigate, and as you can see, it is working like mouse without any issue. So I can even press on it and open some options. So as you can see, that's how it looks. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.